Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone. Second of Safari series. Let's see how to draw a leopard. The leopard is one of the 5 species in the genus Panthera, a member of the cat family, Felidae. They are found in sub-Saharan Africa, in some parts of Western and Central Asia, southern Russia, and on the Indian subcontinent, to Southeast and East Asia. Leopards live in varied habitats that include grassland, mountains, forests, and deserts. These big cats have a varied diet and enjoy different kinds of grub. They eat bugs, fish, antelope, monkeys, rodents, deer, in fact, pretty much any prey that is available. Leopards are considered to be the strongest member of the big cats. Leopards are skilled climbers and like to rest in the branches of trees during the day. Leopards are active at night when they venture out in search for food. An average leopard weighs between 50 and 90 kilograms. It is about 7 feet long, not including the long tail. Although they share the name leopard, snow leopards and clouded leopards are not the same species as Panthera pardus. The snow leopard is more closely related to the true leopard than the 2 species of clouded leopard. Leopards are fast felines and can run at up to 58 km/h. They're super springy, too, and can leap 6 meters forward through the air. The leopard has a large territory and is mostly a solitary cat. Most leopards are light-colored and have dark spots on their fur. These spots are called rosettes because their shape is similar to that of a rose. The leopard has developed the ability to hide and are secretive and elusive. This makes it difficult to track in the wild. A black panther is the melanistic color variant of the leopard. Black panthers have excess black pigments, but they're typical rosettes. The leopard has a large territory and is mostly a solitary cat. Males have larger territories than females and they often overlap. Female leopards give birth to 2 or 3 cubs. Mothers stay with their cubs until they are about 2 years old. Leopards can be vicious man-eaters. The leopard of Rudraprayag was a male man-eating leopard, reputed to have killed over 125 people. It was eventually killed by hunter and author Jim Corbett. In the first decade of the 20th century, a single leopard killed at least 400 people in the Panur Valley of central Comayone. More than 3 times as many as the much more famous man-eater of Rudraprayag. Leopards are endangered or at risk of dying out. People hunt leopards for sport and for their fur. Please like, subscribe and comment if you liked this video. Thank you.